In this video, I'll show you how to insert a signature into your PDF document. So here we have my PDF document, and let's say I want to add a signature just below here. Then what you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and from here you just want to search for Sign PDF Adobe. Now this will bring up the official Adobe website right at the top here, so click this, and this is an online tool that will let you insert signatures to your document. So click on the Select a File button, locate and upload your PDF. You will need a free account to use this website. You can just sign in with your Google account. Once you've signed in and uploaded your PDF, you need to come over to Add Signature in the left hand side, and then from here you can just type in your name using your keyboard. You can also click on the draw icon, and from here you can actually draw your own signature, or alternatively you can upload an image that's saved from your computer. I'm just going to insert this signature here and click save, and then select where you want this signature to be placed. You can adjust the size of this signature by pressing this A button here, and you can make it smaller also as well. If you want to make changes to your signature, just click on the edit your signature button here, and once you're happy with your signature, just click on the download button and select download PDF. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you insert a signature into your PDF document. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.